Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P00CF indicates a problem with the Turbocharger Boost Sensor, or the BARO, Barometric Pressure Sensor, in the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. The Turbocharger Boost Sensor monitors the intake air's pressure and helps regulate the turbocharger's performance, ensuring optimal engine efficiency. The BARO sensor measures the atmospheric pressure to optimize fuel delivery based on current environmental conditions. When these sensors fail to correlate correctly with each other, the vehicle may struggle with performance issues, which can affect acceleration and engine responsiveness. It is essential to address this code in conjunction with any related DTCs, as simultaneous codes may indicate underlying issues. The troubleshooting process will help isolate the fault and restore vehicle performance. The Turbocharger Boost Sensor is crucial for monitoring the boost pressure generated by the turbocharger, adjusting air-fuel mixtures to maintain engine performance. The BARO sensor plays a complementary role by quantifying the pressure of the surrounding atmosphere, ensuring that the engine management system adapts to changes in altitude or weather conditions. In the Honda CRV, the Turbocharger Boost Sensor is typically located near the intake manifold, while the BARO sensor is often integrated into the engine control unit, ECU, or placed in the intake track. If these sensors provide inconsistent data, such as during different temperature or pressure scenarios, the engine may enter limp mode, limiting its performance. This malfunction can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Understanding their locations and functions helps pinpoint issues effectively. Several potential causes can lead to DTC P00CF being triggered. First, a faulty turbocharger boost sensor can provide incorrect readings, leading to inconsistent performance. This sensor may fail due to age, exposure to heat, or other environmental factors. Secondly, a malfunctioning BARO sensor can also yield varying results, affecting how the engine management system interprets performance needs. Wiring or connection issues between the sensors and the engine control unit can also disrupt communication, causing the sensors to send conflicting signals. Ensuring physical integrity and connectivity is critical to maintain proper sensor operation. Each of these causes can result in performance issues, underscoring the need for thorough diagnostics. When DTC P00CF is present, several symptoms may manifest, impacting driving experience. One clear symptom is reduced engine performance, which may present as sluggish acceleration or difficulty maintaining speed. Drivers may also notice the check engine light illuminated on the dashboard, indicating that the vehicle's onboard diagnostics have detected a fault. In more severe cases, the vehicle could enter limp mode, a safety feature that limits engine output to prevent damage. Drivers might experience unusual engine noises or stalling, which further emphasizes the importance of addressing the error promptly. Recognizing these symptoms can prompt a timely response, thus preventing excessive wear or additional damage. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P00CF involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the onboard diagnostic system to initiate and prepare for a DTC check. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool to check for both pending and confirmed DTCs. It is imperative to have access to the correct diagnostic equipment, as the HDS provides crucial insights into the nature of the fault. Analyzing the DTCs may reveal if the P00CF code is present alone or accompanied by other related codes, such as P0069 or P0236. If multiple codes appear, this could indicate multiple issues that require addressing. Understanding this information is essential for effectively resolving the identified issues. Upon completing the initial DTC check, review for any additional trouble codes that may exist alongside DTC P00CF. Specific attention should be given to codes P0069 and P0236, which relate directly to the performance of the BARO and Turbocharger Boost Sensors. If any of these related codes are flagged, follow their respective troubleshooting protocols first. Resolving these accompanying issues is crucial because they may be the root cause of the P00CF code appearing. Once all simultaneous faults are addressed, it allows for a clearer diagnosis of the original issue. This methodical approach not only improves accuracy, but enhances overall repair efficiency, leading ultimately to a fixed vehicle. Following repairs related to DTC P00CF, it's vital to conduct a thorough verification process. Begin by clearing the fault codes from the system to reset the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. Then, perform a test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly without triggering any warning lights or DTCs. Pay special attention to the vehicle's performance during acceleration and while navigating different driving conditions. It will be critical to monitor any feedback from the onboard diagnostic system after the test drive, ensuring that no residual codes remain. Through this final verification, you can confirm the effectiveness of the repairs and guarantee that the vehicle operates as intended under various conditions. Preventative maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding future issues related to DTC P00CF and other engine management faults. Establish a routine schedule for checking the Turbocharger Boost Sensor and BARO Sensor to ensure they are functioning properly. Additionally, keeping the air intake system clean and unobstructed helps maintain optimal performance. Regular diagnostic scans ensure early identification of any emerging issues before they escalate into significant problems requiring costly repairs. By implementing these preventive measures, drivers can enhance engine longevity, optimize performance, and improve fuel efficiency, ultimately prolonging the life of their Honda CRV. Engaging in consistent vehicle care protects not only the engine, but also overall driving experience. In conclusion, addressing DTC P00CF in the Honda CRV is a critical process that involves understanding the involved components, diagnosing faults accurately, and performing necessary repairs. By recognizing early symptoms such as reduced performance and check engine light activation, drivers can prompt timely diagnostic checks. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps ensures that all interconnected issues are addressed thoroughly, preventing future complications. Engaging in regular vehicle maintenance practices, including sensor checks and performance monitoring, can further mitigate the risks of encountering similar DTCs. Ultimately, proactive vehicle care leads to enhanced reliability and a better overall driving experience, making it essential for long-term car ownership. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.